Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 6th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So gold just keeps on pushing. We're at 3,950 or so, so definitely very, very strong. If you've seen any of my gold videos for at least the last several weeks, I've been saying every single day that you should be doing nothing but looking for logs at the end of three-way pullbacks, and if you have been doing that, then you're probably doing really, really good trading gold. Anybody that thinks that every single one of these impulsive moves down is the end of a trend and this is going to keep on going down has probably been losing a lot of money. So unfortunately, the analysis on gold is pretty much the same every single day for me. I would be doing nothing but looking for longs. I would not be trying to go long right at the top of an impulsive move, but I definitely would be looking for one, two, three-way pullbacks to go long, or at least pullbacks in general. Nice pullbacks, nice Fibonacci bounces. Really what we want to see is we want to see one, two, three-way pullbacks. We want to see Fibonacci bounces, and we want to see engulfing moves to the upside at Fibonacci levels in order to continue to go long. There's no reason to say that this is over. On the weekly time frame, my next real area of resistance is right around 4,200, and it could definitely keep on making higher highs, higher lows on the 4-hour time frame, at least to that area, and maybe even beyond. So if you've been following along with my videos, you know exactly what I'm going to say. I would be doing nothing but looking for logs on pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.